good. Beautiful.
All right, here we go. Hey, there it is. Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm finally back. I know I said I'll be back on later tonight or tomorrow, and now it is Friday. Was fairly busy with doing a whole bunch of other stuff, but yeah, I'm hopefully getting back to it, trying to get the grapple hook thing figured out and stuff. This time, well rested and whatnot. Also, before I get into everything, at the time of doing this live stream, right now, we just so happen to be also streaming when Ben Burns, who is making the music, or who made this music that we're listening to, is also live streaming, but streaming over on Twitch. So drop a link in chat if y'all are at all interested. And if you are interested, VOD listeners, hey Ben, I know that you're going to be potentially watching this in the future. But if you're interested, VOD watchers, you can click on that link and give Ben a follow. All right. So let me, again, I'm getting used to this new setup. Let me get all situated. But yeah, how's it going, everybody? All right, here we go. We will switch over to in here. So where we last left off is a good question. Where we last left off, basically, I believe, here we go. Yeah, so I'm able to shoot this thing. It hits objects and whatnot. I stupidly left 2 instances of this part in, so it was colliding with itself. Good to know for the future, of like being sure to clear that beforehand. But that also just prompts me to really like look over how exactly I create the player, because I should already like clear that right at the beginning. But that is beside the point. But yeah, I am going to be adding in the moving towards the point part. Oh, I also notice if I press this as much as I can, yeah, look at that. So if I move, I think that, yeah, okay, huh, interesting. I'll need to figure out the discrete, or the collision on that stuff. But yeah, oh man, let me center myself. Of course, me being a perfectionist and all. But yeah, all right, we're gonna go in and work on getting that stuff working. Yeah, so let me know if music's too loud and whatnot. I'm trying to figure out audio balances and stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, so fortunately I have this up. Okay, so what we got here? Yes, we got it so that on trigger enter it just does hooked, which is good, right? So the goal for now is to have it so that when it hits something, it basically says, okay, I've hit something. Oh, I need to get a reference to the player that shot this thing. So I need to pass that in. It's a little loud on my end. I'm gonna lower it down, but I also know that that's gonna affect the stream, so sorry about that. Okay, but yeah, so I need to pass in the player stuff. So let me go get the reference. There's an, that's nice. I didn't realize that they updated it so that you can see what asset references the script. That's kind of cool. But yeah, no, I want to pass in, yes, this here. Also say new grapple get component grapple hook. There we go. Just getting readjusted in this thing. Grapple hook, and then I will want to pass in the player info. I should be able to say info. So in here, say public, or no, I'll just, yeah, I'll do the really bad thing where it's like, oh yeah, I'll just add in what you called player info. Cool, we'll do that. Player info dot info or equals info. Cool. So we got that going. Oh, what's going on here? Yes. Oh, it's because I did things. So yeah, did that. And now we're gonna just go in and okay, we're gonna go in, and now that that's happening, I'm just going to just to test, say other hooked plus from, and then we'll just do player info dot player number. Sweet. And something that I do, or I think I've mentioned this in the past, something that I try to do in a lot of my stuff is to have it so that the nomenclature of like my variables is fairly uniform. So whenever I say player number, I'm referencing like the number in which a player would normally see it. So it would be like player 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. But when I say player index, that's something where you know, the programmer side would be using where we start from 0. So it would be player 0, then 1, 2, 3. That way, if I have a call for a player number or something like that, I can just say, here's the player number, or I can say the player index plus 1 and whatnot. But of course, this also allows me to have it so that the player index does not match up with the player number. So that if like somebody jumped in or jumped out or something like that, I can slot things into like the player 2 slot, even though you're player 4, because player 2 and 3 dropped out and stuff. It's just a nice trick that you can do to separate those two things out so that you don't have things tied to everything. And for like UI elements and stuff like that, any player facing things, having something that is dedicated to just being the player number, and you know that this is what you know, a reference to that, that's kind of nice to have. All right, okay, so we did that here, and then we're gonna press the play button and check out that kind of stuff here. All right, so here I am doing this moving around stuff, hitting the stuff, cool. And looking at that, it is from player 1, and guess what? I'm player 1. So yeah, that is working. So it's a good thing that is working. The one thing that I do want to add now is I want to add, oh wait, I have all these nulls and things. Where are all these nulls? Let me check. I have the auto aim stuff. This is no longer relevant, and it's just giving me a bunch of things. That's one other thing that I want to make as a tool that I can bring around from project to project, is like a debug shell, I guess, or like a debug wrapper kind of thing, where I can be like, I can say like, oh, here's a debug menu or whatever, and then I can bring in like a console, just have a built-in console, in-game console for development builds and stuff, so that I can put in whatever code and things. That is something that it's on my list, but I never I never do it. Okay, so this is we don't need that anymore because we know that it works. So yeah, okay, we got that. Hooking the player, which is nice. But yeah, we're just gonna go in here and we're gonna try. Oh wait, I've already done this. We don't. Yeah, you can see that I've already done this. I was distracted. So what I'm gonna do now is actually try and implement something here. So I'm gonna try and just literally just to teleport the player there. So if I go to the grapple hook, before I destroy this object, I want to get the player info dot game object. Do I have access to the game object from here? I think I could just do transform that position equals grapple equals transform dot position. I just want to see whether or not I can teleport there. And hey, maybe that would be, well, actually no, that would be way too OP and I don't want to do that. It would be like a Loba Apex thing where you can shoot a thing and there you go. Okay, so yes, this is working. I am teleporting. Whoa, that was interesting. Oof. So, whoa. Okay, it's working. Well, at least it's doing the thing that I just wanted it to do, but that's not what I ultimately want to do. Yeah, this is way too aggressive. But I want to gradually go to that place. So things that I have to think about there is for doing that, I want to have it so that you will, so like say I'm up here. There you go. I'm up here and I hit the wall. I ultimately want to move over there and then drop down, but I don't want to be affected by gravity while doing it. So if I'm on an upper level, I don't drop down. I very much am hovering over it, and then I get to the spot and then I fall down. That's the goal here. So we'll try and figure that out. 1 second while I hydrate. Okay, so let's see how exactly do we want to do some of that stuff. All right. Oh no, I have all these things up. This thing. There we go. Okay. So, how do I want to do that? Well, inside of the player movement, I think I can say, "Hey, stop moving." Because at this point, or when you're when you actually hook onto something, I don't want you to move left and right, and move around. So I think I have inside of the player info. Well, inside of the player info, there we go. I think I have something there. We'll see. I keep saying, and yet I don't see anything. That's fine. Yeah. Cooldown energy, take damage. No. Yeah, I don't think that there's anything that's like stop all. Oh, yeah, there it is. I should probably look at my variables first before I do things. Okay, so then I can say can move equals now. Oh. So what I think what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna have this functionality inside of the grapple hook. I want to have this functionality inside of player movement. So let's go check out the player movement script. There's player movement. And then I want to just basically I want to say auto move, or how do I want to say start movement, something like that. I'll come up with a better name. Start auto move. And then I just have a target vector. No, I should say target. Target. No, transform, not a target. Transform. Target. Target. Transform. Now, I don't think that I have access to the player movement from player info. And then in here, I'll do the I enumerator auto move. We'll do another transform. Target transform. And then for now, yield. Oh no, I want to say info dot can move equals false. Wait. Yield. Wait. Ooh, I need to adjust the speed. No, hey, return. Is it return yield? I remember when I did this really quickly in the other one. Yes, return real new wait for 4 seconds. Let's just say 3 seconds, just to test. And then info.canMove equals true. I don't think that I want to do this based off of time. And I want to do this based off of speed. That way I can adjust the speed of things. Yeah. So then if, and if you can't, I think you might, I think I might want to also add in an interrupt so that if you do like something very big happens, so something stops you from going there and then it's like you've run into something and you're like now stuck. I think that makes sense. To have it so that like then you can just like stop this coroutine and you can move again. But that's another thing, again, a future thing. I just want to get this in so I can test this out to see how much it feels or how it feels and whatnot. Can move. I don't. Yeah. So I basically want to do this. Then I want to, for this case, I want to go to info.transform.position equals target transform there. No, dot position. Oh boy. Oh geez. Okay. Oh geez. Very Minnesotan of me there. Okay, we got that done. Go to the grapple hook and say, hey, let's not do this anymore. But I guess let's see if I have access to that. I think I should. Oh, player info. Info. What? Player info. Oh, I also just literally realized that I need to start the coroutine. Start coroutine. Auto. Auto. Move. Target. Transform. There. We'll just do that for now. Just in case I need to do any other things that might interrupt, or I might have to like filter the transform or whatever in the future. Public info. Let's see. Movement. Okay, I do have it. Auto start. Auto move. Way to go, me in the future. Making this relatively easy for me, theoretically. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna do is debug.log. Starting auto move. Debug.log. Stopping auto move. There we go. Save. Okay. I can't get into the greatest position. I keep on sliding around. Sorry for all the adjustments. Okay, I think that feels a little better. All right, we're gonna go here. Okay, and now, no, name hasn't. This is another issue that I don't have to worry about right now. I think I know why that's the case. And I would want to fix that properly rather than just add the null. Okay, I can't move right now. Starting. Missing the exception. What? Transform has been destroyed. Right. I need to pass that in by a value, not a reference. Okay, I have way too many things open on the bottom. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so yeah, this is not gonna end. Target transform. I know. Okay, well, one thing I can do. All right. Can I clone equals new transform? Target transform. Can I clone? I don't know. Oh, it takes in one argument. What? Yeah, I don't think I can clone just by default. So if I'm like stored transform that, I have to. Yeah, then okay, fine. I'll just do a vector 3. Because vector 3s could be destroyed and whatnot. I feel like there's a way to not have to worry about that kind of stuff. So that the target position. Because I think it would be nice to also do the rotation in the future. Target position. I can type. Why does this not look like that? Oh. Yeah, it does. I'm just reading too much into it. Okay, there you go. Right, I need to go to the grapple hook and pass in transform dot position. Save. Cool. And then we click, or well, we wait. Okay, and now we press play. I'm gonna get just a sip of water. Sweet. Okay, so can't move, and bam, there it is. Okay, so that is, at least the callback is working. So now the player movement is in control of doing the whole, will be in control of doing the whole, hey, move over to the position which the grapple hook grappled. Cool. So the arbitrary move or stopping movement is right. And I gotta fix that later. The arbitrary wait for 3 seconds thing, that was just for testing. Basically what I want to do is, can I? So I'm gonna break this. I just want to see if I use gravity, if I turn that off. So yeah, right now I'm jumping. I'm gonna turn off use gravity, and then I'm gonna shoot. Then I'll teleport there, and I'm using gravity. Why am I using gravity? Ooh, why? Doesn't seem like that is stopping me. Yeah, why does use gravity continue to use gravity? So like, okay. I'm gonna just do something real quick, just to try. I keep saying that I'm gonna just do something real quick. Well, guess what? I'm gonna just do something real quick. I'm just gonna go in here and, well, not create an empty. I wanna create 3 objects, just make a sphere. Let's see where that sphere, where does it go? Right there. All right. Whoop. Whoop. All right, cool. It has a sphere collider on it. Sweet. I'm gonna add a rigid body. Bam, and it hits the thing. Cool. Use gravity. Nah, we don't need that. Let go, and it's not moving. Now I'm curious if there is something on here that is also controlling the, oh, is it player jump? It shouldn't be the player jump. Okay, we'll try. Oh, I have some friends playing some games on there. I should probably have turned that up. All good. Also snow runner, of course. Okay, so if the legs, okay, we'll try turning off the player jump. And then I'll turn off use gravity. Oh, I should have done this. Well, now I can't jump. Surprise. I'm gonna do that and jump up over here, but then turn off player jump. There we go. See? Oh, okay. So it's the player jump that is doing the falling. Okay, good to know. Why? Why are you jumping lower? I should be using the gravity and not be controlling the thing. And this is happening inside of... Oh yeah, why is this not happening inside of on fixed update? Oh man, else. Oh, because I'm doing coyote time, but that shouldn't be the actual, this part shouldn't be inside of jump. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, so this might be a little bit more complicated than I originally intended. So, okay. So basically what I'm coming to realize is that what I'm basically doing is I'm doing, yes, so I am basically making doing like a varied jump height. So in here, oh geez. That was not expected. If I do this, woo, bam. So here, whoops. What I'm basically doing is you can have multiple jump heights. It's not super relevant for something like this, because, or something like my standard legs here, because I only gonna go up like 1 unit height here, or I guess what visually looks like 2 units. But if I had like a higher jump, then I would be able to vary the height so that I can just jump a little bit or jump the full height, kind of thing. And that's a problem. Yeah, that's a problem because what I want to do is I want to stop. Do I want to stop gravity from happening throughout this? And I do. But that also means I want to stop falling. Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, there's a quick and dirty way of doing this, which is the way I'm probably going to take, which is go in here and add like a Boolean to stop this check from happening. Oh, wait, if can move. Oh, so this might not even happen. Oh. Oh. Okay, one sec. We're gonna try something out. I love how I grabbed the cup and then didn't take a sip. Okay. So what I am going to do here to solve this problem, I'm gonna actually go in here and go into player movement. And instead of doing this, I'm gonna just say while pool can or grappling equals false. I don't know why I said equals false, but sure. While grappling equals false. No, while grappling is false. Well, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. While grappling is false, be like, I want to move in the direction that I'm looking. I want to say that should just be target. Yeah. Oh no, I want the target direction to be the, what is it? The difference between where I am starting versus where I'm at. And I always forget, is it vector 3? Target direction equals, is it me minus the target direction, or is it the other way around? I always forget this. What? Use the unsigned. No, oh, position. Whoops, not direction. Target position. I always forget this. But what I'm gonna basically do is, I can just say move player target direction. Oh, dash multiplier? No, I don't need a dash multiplier. Although, no, I don't need a dash multiplier. We're gonna try this. And then, oh, right, I'll need to, if target position, no, transform, if transform, oh boy, transform position. How do I, let's just get the, it's an expensive call, but hey, distance, again, we're just trying to make this work. We're not position. Equals, no, oh no, I do the vector 3 dot distance between vector transform position and transform, oh, not transform, target position. If distance is less than, I'd say 1. We'll just say 1. Eventually I'll say a buffer. Grappling equals false. I'll actually put this in here. Yeah. Oh, hey. Hey Ben, sorry. I was so focused that I didn't even notice you came in here. How's it going? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Sweet. Can't stick around long. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Of course I'm gonna shout you out. But yeah, thanks for dropping in, and hope to see you in the VOD. All right, so I am going to now do the target direction. There you go. There we go. So now, now that I've done that, and this is not working. Why is this not working? Can I implicitly oh, whoops. That should be a float, not a there. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to, so basically what's going to happen is that it's going to go, I'm just going to move the player into that direction. And then when I get somewhere around the vicinity, then I'll stop doing this. I don't want to yield anymore. And I could guarantee that you're there, but I'm not going to do that. I want to see the threshold and stuff, see how that goes, and stop and stop. I don't move. Cool. And then, oh, this should be yield. Return null. And if you return a null, that doesn't actually add garbage. I love how I keep on talking about optimization, and yet I keep on saying, no, I shouldn't worry about optimization. Yep, that's just me. Okay, so here we go. This time I'm actually gonna drink. All right. Okay, so go here, bam. I'm not moving. Oh, do I have, no, yeah, why am I not moving? Starting auto move. Okay, that's fine. This is okay. I think. Let's go move. Yeah. So that should be fine. Okay, let's see. Is it because I'm not using like not normalized? Magnitude of 1. We'll try that. And then I would have to change the move speed based off of that there. But you know, that's how it is. It's not happening. All right, well, time to debug. Because I could totally just be blanking here. Debug, log, target, direction. There we go. Okay. All right, so we're here. We're gonna press this here. All right, and now we go whoop bam, and oh yeah, there's a direction. I think it's the opposite direction. Of course, I put it in backwards. But oh yeah, so it is telling me, hey, let's go in this direction. And then I should be moving the player. Player target, yeah. Target vector equals look direction. Yeah. I mean, unless I change the move speed to be like, yeah, like point F. Basically, I'm just mirroring that. Target direction plus normalized. It should be just, you know, the one. And yet here we are. Okay. Well, no, I didn't press the play button. here we go. We're in here. We're doing this. Yeah, normalized. It's definitely normalized. I can't aim. Yeah, that's fine. Huh, why are you not doing the stuff? Let's think. Let's think. Why would you not move? This target direction. The current position that you're at. I look at how this works. Target direction. Yeah. Well, first off, yeah, wait, hold on. Like, why are you not moving, period? I'll actually drag this down here. Oh, I guess I can actually drag this up here because it'd be nice to have all the variables that are changing here. Having all those there. Oh boy. Up at the top. No, I don't redo debug. Whatever. Debug analog. We'll do action plus target direction plus distance remaining plus distance. Cool. I have all this stuff here. Okay. I mean, I haven't done anything right now that actually changes anything. Let's see. Okay, well, we'll try doing this, doing that, and nothing. This is rain, so the distance stuff is working and whatnot, so that's good. But the movement's not working. What it should do is move the player based off of the offset stuff. Okay, offset rotation, yeah, based off of the direction in which the camera is. I'm wondering if that actually doesn't make any difference. Because that's something that's relative to the player's joystick. So basically, the offset change here, the adjusted vector, what that's basically doing is making it so that whatever the camera is, if you push your joystick forward, then that will go or push it up, then that'll go forward towards where all the what you call towards where the camera is facing. That way, it doesn't matter whichever direction the camera is facing, it'll just always go forward away from the camera to make it so that's intuitive for you to move around. but it's not actually doing that stuff. So I'm not sure why that's the case. Yeah, let me also close Steam real quick. There you go. Noticing these notifications. All right, so here we are once again. Once again, trying to figure this out. But why are you not? Okay. All right, we're back here. speed equals, yeah, move speed. Sure. Ah, I'm wondering, maybe I shouldn't use this. I should use something else. Huh. Yeah, maybe I should use something else. Adjusted variable equals. Because this involves the move speed, which the move speed is 0. So unless because if I can do, I don't know whether or not it's gonna keep my move speed when it hits the thing, but if I'm moving it, yeah, now it's not moving, and it didn't really change it. I think that was just lingering. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try let's just try doing this, going in here. Instead of doing this, let's just go in here, and instead of target vector should be target direction. Change the dash multiply. Let's change all of this stuff just to be speed is let's just do 3. Speed is 3. Sure, why not? Okay, we're gonna try this. No. Huh. Okay, what if I just said we're gonna just go all out? Okay, maybe not that far. We're gonna go fairly high. Let's do 20. Why are you not working? Adjusted is for the offset angles. I'm wondering whether or not the offset angles is actually relevant here, because this doesn't matter based off of that. It only really matters based off of the direction you're trying to go. Well, once again, hitting a weird roadblock. But you know, such is development. Okay, well, that kind of, no, it didn't even kind of work. That kind of like broke in a different way. So right, so okay, the transform position and minus the thing, which I believe is the opposite direction that I really wanted to go, but barring, I'm not going to change more variables. Then I have the distance. Cool. No, wait, I want if it's less than, make that true, not false. I'm realizing that should be true. I'm wondering if it's because I can't move. If I just turn that off, which wouldn't, I don't think that makes any sense, because like that is separate from everything else, unless the move stuff only happens. No, the move stuff is separate from everything else. So why would that stop you from moving? Yeah, I can still move. Yeah, that's weird. Huh. Yeah, and you can see down here, you can see the, like everything happening there. So there. Okay, well, it kind of worked. Well, I mean, at least. Yeah, and I can never get to, I can never get to less than that. Well, good to know there. I'll put the distance to be like 3. Why are you not moving in that direction? Because I want to change the rigid body movement, because that makes it so that I'm not teleporting inside of a thing, and I'm utilizing the physics in a way in which I can collide with stuff predictably per frame. But yeah, I guess this should update in. This should also probably update in fixed update time rather than just null, which will give me every frame. Five velocity, yeah, that's fine. Adjusted X and adjusted Z. I guess we'll go in here and check out the adjusted vector. Oh boy. Check out the adjusted vector. Here, I'll just add it to this mega debug. Try and clean up something. Well, at least make it a little bit more compact. Plus adjusted. That's adjusted vector. Cool. So it should just be. It should just be. Oh. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. My bad. All right. Okay, we're here again, and I'm doing this, and adjusted vector. Yeah, I mean, that should be working. As I move, the velocity Yeah, why is my velocity actually anything right now? So, okay, let's try just existing. Velocity is 0. And then it's 0. Yeah. Okay. But I'm not moving. And now it's 0 again. Huh. That is interesting. So, is it because the speed is 0? No, the speed is really quick. Let's go over here, zero it out. Oh, what's that? Oh. Yeah, it's the zeroed out. Okay. So yeah, looking at, right now I'm looking over here. And I'm noticing, yeah, the velocity is doing exactly what I'm expecting it to do here. Where it's like, when I'm moving, it's doing stuff. When I'm not, it's not doing stuff. But like, as I do that, and also it's totally going in the wrong direction. But as I do that, when I hit the thing, I'm like, okay, cool. I hit the thing. It's telling me that this is the velocity here, but like, why is it not actually, moving? So what's the difference? Yeah, what is the difference here between me moving using it's in fixed update, sure. Between me moving and me what's the difference between me moving and inside of the grapple hook? Like, what am I doing wrong there? Start auto move. Hey, go towards this position. okay, here's a coroutine, start doing this. It's doing all this stuff. Then when you are not, or when you are, I guess, is grappling. And then this should be true. So this is true. Is grappling is false. There. now I feel better. Okay. How you are grappling. The target direction again is backwards, but again. Why don't I fix it? Because I'm sorry. The distance, I get the distance correctly. So like the thing that I could do right now is I could just say, well, screw it. I don't need, or I could just be like, I'll just change the position. I'll move the position to the new, a new position and whatnot. But that's not what I want to do. Oh, I guess I can also make this 0 so that I don't fall. But that's not what I want to do. So, okay, here we are. Oh, I realized I'm still in play mode. Zoom adjusted. So, I mean, that stuff is what it is. Because I'm essentially using the move player function, so it makes sense to have that stuff in there. So, okay. So it should be, yeah, I don't know why that's the case. Because like, okay. I'm now trying to think and rack my head around this. So bear with me, sorry. Let's see. So the things that I'm thinking about right now are well, really, I'm just wondering, why is the velocity not moving or changing? Or it is changing, but why is it not affecting anything? And I don't think that I have any. I'm freezing the rotation, but not the position, which would be weird to freeze the position. Yeah, I should be moving. Theoretically, I should be moving. I might, and I feel like am I doing something incorrectly? Where basically the thing that is stopping me from finishing this is, yeah, so I can't jump now. Is it because yeah, can't jump now because of reasons, I guess. Why can I not jump? Oh, because I made that 0, right? So I am pressing the jump button, but it doesn't do anything. Oh, so if that's actually a good thing to test real quick. Is if I jump up here, I do this, bam. So now I'm floating. Oh, look. Oh. Bam. Oh. Okay, so if I were to, now I'm even more curious. If I were to turn off gravity, and I did that, oh, now I'm not falling. Okay, so I can use the turn off gravity thing when I'm doing the grapple thing. Sweet. It solves one problem, but it doesn't solve the main issue that I'm running into. So yeah, Not sure why that's the case. Let's think. So the main thing that I'm thinking about right now, again, I keep saying that, is like, yeah, the fact that it's not actually moving, even though I see that it's doing that. No, minus this. I think this should be the direction in which that should work. Yeah, and the stop auto move, cool, fine. Okay. Oh, let me also go in and add that line in there. Is grappling is true. No, true. There. Even though, yeah, technically I am doing my own, I am technically doing my own calculations. All the air quotes on that one. It's not my own calculations because it's me utilizing the fact that like gravity is being set upon this thing, but there is something else controlling that. So yeah, now I'm floating. So this is an interesting thing where, yeah, I'm now floating, and if I get close to this thing, there you go, auto stop to stopped, and now I'm no longer floating. Also, why is this so jerky? Look at the stuttering going on there. It's not the greatest look, but yeah. So why is that the case? So I like, if I do this, I should be I don't know why that's the case. Bam. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, this is getting a little bit on the annoying side, because everything else I'm like finding solutions for, but I'm not finding a solution for that. Well, let me think. And I also know, maybe the VOD watcher is like, well, clearly you have to do this. Yeah, I don't know why I can't like think of those things right now. Seems I've done this stuff before. So why am I blanking now? But actually I will be right back. Have to use the restroom. But I'll try and figure out and tackle this. So BRB. And we're back. Okay. Sorry for the extended break. So yeah, basically when I'm just to get back to things, the conundrum, why it's not moving, I don't know. I was thinking, I'm noticing, well, clearly I'm able to move around even while I'm in that state where it's supposed to be controlling that stuff. I'm thinking that like the fact that I am able to still move around means that is the thing that is stopping me from actually moving. So when I got rid of the can move thing, that's just basically just like guaranteed that I would not move, or that I would not be able to do the whole rigid body velocity thing. I think that might be the part of the reason. So if I'm able to figure out that, so like this stuff is still happening. If you can't move. So like what I need to do is like, what I kind of want to do is comment all of this stuff out just to see if this doesn't work. So I'm actually going to comment all this stuff out just to see if this doesn't work. But hey, we'll see if this works or not. And then we'll see if, any of this stuff actually is a thing. Oh man, 400 seconds. Basically 500 seconds. But we'll see. And we're waiting. All right. So I can't move. Cool. That's fine. I do this. Wow. Yes. Yes. That's the thing that is stopping me. Yep. That figures. All right. Well, now I'm stuck up here. Oh, never mind. I'm not stuck up here. Oh, right. It just collides with anything. Oof. And then, okay. So that is the reason why things are not working. So what I'm going to do here is I'm essentially going to make it so that like, yeah, it's not an overwhelming, like, overwhelming speed. Let's change the speed from 20 down to 5. And then the fact that all this stuff is happening, I need to stop all this stuff from happening. I can say, if basically I want to have it so this doesn't happen when I am doing this. And how do I do that? I'm gonna do it. I know. I don't know. It's weird because this is inside baseball, I guess. But this is something, yeah, this should be false. Something that I've noticed, just, doing live streaming is like, oh man, yeah, I gotta think about how exactly my code can be like looked at and analyzed, and like, why are you doing that and not the other thing, and things like that. That's just something that I've noticed. I've become more conscious of as I live stream to the world. But it really should just be hey, one, I'm doing my best. 2, I'm trying to get it to work. I'm not doing like something where it's super like if this fails, people's lives are at stake or something like that. Or like if this isn't super optimized, especially, again, I keep saying this, especially in this where I'm just doing a prototype, I don't need to do that in order for things to work out there. So no, I don't need to. For now, is grappling is false. Just all right. If is grappling is false. No, it's true. I'll just do is true, so I don't have to do all the nests. Turn. There. Is grappling true? Is grappling false? Cool. Cool. Okay, here we go. And then I'll have this be a public variable that I can change inside of Unity. So then I can try various things. So I'm up here, I do this. Whoop. Oh, geez. Whoop. Oh, geez. All right. So I don't think I need to do the adjusted vector thing. Yeah, that's what I figured. I didn't actually need to do that. So I'm gonna get rid of the adjusted vector part. Target direction. Target direction. I think, yeah, because it's already, it's adjusting in world space, not in joystick space. Input space, controller space. I don't know. I don't know what the exact thing is for that. All right. Whoop. Whoop. There we go. Look at that. Whoop. Oh. Okay. Sweet. Whoop. All right. Cool. So let's go in and add auto move variables. So let's go here. I'll actually move this thing down here. Public. So I want to have a auto move speed. No, that should be inside of the thing. Auto move threshold equals, right now it's 3, but I'll do 2. Auto move target threshold equals to float. It's a float. And then distance is less than auto move threshold. So yeah, that is something I can change. The speed, auto move speed, that can be adjusted in the actual grapple hook stuff. So I'll do public. Oh geez, public float move like grapple speed equals. So right now I think I did 5. So I want you to zip. Well, I think I'll do 5 for now. Comma. Grapple speed. Bam. Save that. Go back to movement. Auto move. Float. Move. Speed. Oh. Speed. Auto move. Speed. Oh. Oh. Speed. Yeah. This no longer is a thing down here. Whoop. Whoa, okay. Calm down. Speed. There we go. Save that out. So now when I go in here, it should just like automatically adjust. No, not gonna. I should probably press the play button. It should just automatically adjust the things when I change it inside of the editor. Oh, sorry, getting things. All right. So jumping around, pressing the button. Whoop, ding. Okay, sweet. Let me go. Oh, let me close this. Also, yeah, I wanna like surface all of these more critical things onto the main thing rather than you have to dig to find the player stuff. Anyway, there's the threshold. I'm gonna make it 1.3. Whoop, bam. Whoop, whoop. Look at that. Uh-oh. Oh no, I can't move. Okay. I should add a safeguard for when that happens, because I'm doing a threshold based thing rather than from point A to point B and you're guaranteed to go there. Because again, I want to be able to interrupt or change or like do something, like say that there was a slow field. I want you to be do I want you to be slower in that slow field? Maybe that's a thing that I can think about. I actually don't know if I would want that, because that wouldn't make a lot of sense. But anyway, I want you to, I still want to be able to affect you in various ways. So one thing I can do, float time out equals timeout equals we'll say that there's a 5-second timeout. Time out plus equals time dot delta time. Since this isn't delta time, I should really do this in a fixed update. Time delta, yeah. Yeah. If timeout. No, minus equals. Not plus equals. Minus equals time delta time. If timeout is timeout is less than 0. Less than or equal to 0 is grapple being false. Just get out. Please. So yeah, if that happens, then things will fix. But cool. Well, grappling, it's at least in. It's in and in a testable state. Whoop, bam. Whoop, bam. Okay. So let's, oh yeah, I changed this. We'll do 0.5 because doing it in a half didn't seem to work. Okay, but yeah, the speed is way too fast. Way too fast. Let's go in here and where's the, that's a thing inside of the grapple hook that I need to change. So I can just go to the grapple hook. Grapple hook. Where's the grapple hook? There we go. Change the, oh yeah, move speed is fine. Grapple speed, I want to make it slower. So let's just do 1. We're gonna make a fairly big change. Oh, whoa. Why is that the case? Uh-oh. I can't move, and yeah, fail safe. Okay. Oh, see, look at that. It just went through. Yeah, it totally just went through the thing. Well, I'm glad that I had that fail safe. That's interesting. Okay. Do I have, I don't have the normalized version of this. So that's the thing. That's the problem. So, I don't have adjusted vector anymore. That's no longer a thing. And offset is no longer a thing I need to worry about. So that's why I should not use move. I should just use this. X dot normalized. Normalized dot X. Normalized dot Z. So it's always the same, but then the distance or the speed is that. That's the thing. That's why it's freaking out. Okay. Uh-oh. What? Huh? What? Who? Huh? Oh. Right. I don't need this inside the debug anymore. Safe. Here we are. Okay. All right. There we go. Doing this, doing that. Ooh, oh. This is gonna take a little bit. That's why I added in that failsafe. We're gonna do 5 again, just to see how that works. Oh, it must have gone through. So I'm gonna shoot at things over here so I can see from the camera. Yeah, see, look at that. It just completely passed it. I wonder. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go in here. We're gonna make this 10. Make it, and then go. Nope, that didn't work. Nope. Wow. Okay. Yeah, now we're gonna make it 50, I guess. That's good. You know, always gotta try the extremes. Okay, that's a little fast. 20. Okay, maybe 25. There we go. All right. There you go. Look at that. Sound effects included, of course. But yeah, that's interesting that it's going through things. I'm guessing it's because the grapple hook itself is fairly skinny. So if I go into the grapple hook, let's go to the grapple hook, and you see, if you remember, I deleted the collider on this thing, or on the rope part. Why don't I see the grapple hook? I don't see the thing here. I'm gonna just try dragging it in here. Go here and at this, and yeah, I don't see the edit collider. There we go. I guess that'll do. So I'll do that. Cool. Okay, no longer edit of collider. Let's apply that to the grapple hook. Delete, and let's press play, and then we'll see if that helps solve some of the going through things issues, because then there we go, because it's not a small plane. Okay, that's working. That's kind of cool. Sweet. Okay, so this is working. Bam. I want to change. So yeah, this is good. So I want to make it so that this moves quicker. The what you call the grapple hook itself moves quicker because it's a little slow. I'll do 25 as well. So like, because that would make sense to also do 25. But we'll see if, yeah, there we go. Cool. Oh man, and then you can, okay, I just came up with a new idea. I'm guessing that this will slightly increase the amount of work that I will do overall. Of course, that's scope creep. But I just came up with the idea of like, you can have, so I was already thinking of like challenges basically, which is what time attack is like, they're like different stages. The current time attack is like, you have different waves, and then there's a boss wave, and then you're trying to beat it as fast as you can. I could have it so that there's a set, you have like a set part or something like that, and I disable other things. So like in this case, let's say that you have the grapple arms, or grapple body, I guess. And all you can do is grapple. Then, and like you have to get to like a goal or whatever. And I'm already planning on having the what is it? A race kind of thing, like a foot race kind of thing. And like I can have it so that like I basically limit it so you can't do anything else other than grapple. And then you can be like, okay, it's time to do some grapple techniques and whatnot. Yeah, I kind of like that. Yeah, I kind of like that. So right now, the height doesn't matter. So like I could like shoot the part down here, jump, well, shoot the part down here, jump, and now I'm up in the air and I'm grappling rather than grappling down towards the thing. Which I think is okay for now, at least for testing, and then I can improve on that in the future. But yeah, it's that, and then I want to do 0.5 for the angle thing. Yeah, this definitely needs a longer cooldown, but yeah, you can totally just do this and like exist here. It's kind of nice. Okay, man, this is kind of fun. I mean, it looks visually, it looks messed up, and that's probably, again, that's the thing that I really want to do next. I think that is actually going to be the next thing that I'm going to work on. I'm gonna actually skip working on some of these other parts, and I'm gonna work on actually coming up with an art style, because the art of this, you definitely, it leaves so much to the imagination, and it'll help with the visuals of like getting hit and stuff. If I actually have 3D models and have them flashing when you get hit and all these other things, having in shaders and whatnot. But I have to get back to, I used to have done 3D models back in the day, but I haven't done that in so long, and I wasn't like super adept at it when I did learn how to do it. So there's that. But yeah, man, this is already feeling good. I notice how I'm just playing around with it because it's fun to do this grapple hook stuff. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's a thing. Whoa. That's an interesting one. Oh, so yeah, it's doing the whole I can't thing. Okay, cool. Sweet. One last thing that I want to do is I'll just add in a stop coroutine, like all coroutines, I guess. Stop all coroutines. Because if I'm dashing, or if I'm doing already doing an auto move, I want to stop doing this auto, or stop doing all those things, and whatnot. Cool, sweet. Yeah, man, that feels good to be able to say I'm done with this part. Now I would want to be able to like go and play test this with people. Eventually I'll have to, or I'll want to do like play tests live on stream and stuff. Particularly I want to be able to do, whenever eventually I do the online stuff, I want to be able to have it so that people can join live, and they wouldn't necessarily be able to play test the things that I'm like literally changing on stream, because then I'd have to give them a build, but I'd be able to do like get feedback and stuff like that. But that, thinking way in the future. By way in the future, I mean down the line. But yeah, but cool. Yeah, I think at that point I'm gonna actually call it here. I'm surprised at how well that went as soon as I broke that weird bug, which wasn't a weird bug. It was just the fact that there was something else also controlling it, even though it visually showed that it was working just fine. But yeah, that's kind of how, it's just kind of how it's worked out sometimes. But yeah, thanks again everybody for watching. Again, I'm planning on doing more of these live streams. Hopefully they'll be less sporadic, and I'll have at least a set time, but I do plan on doing it every week, at the very least. So look out for that. I'll try and put a community post out there to let people know the tentative schedule. But yeah, thanks again for watching everybody, and gotta get used to this whole thing, but I'll hope to see you next time. Thanks.